Hi, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, welcome on in.
Thanks.
What's the name?
It's Jessie.
Yep.
Cool.
How's your day going?
It's good. I just got out of brunch with the girls.
Must be nice.
Mimosas. It was so nice.
I've been
Bottomless mimosas. Hey! Dude, you just let that dude cut you off.
What?
He literally just cut you off.
Oh, it's fine. I don't get road rage.
No,
so.
no. Do not let that goose nugget get in front of you like that. That is ridiculous. No. Here, this is what you're gonna do.
No. I know how to drive, okay? I'm an Uber driver.
No, it's the principle. You can't go through life just letting people cut in front of you all the time. You gotta take initiative. So here, this is what you're gonna do.
It's not that deep.
Look,
it's not that deep.
Get in that lane really quick. Here, get over.
No,
get over.
No, I'm staying in this lane. I have to turn right. Like, I'm not gonna go left.
Oh my gosh, that wormhole. Look at him. He's got that smug look on his face. He knows he cut you off. He did that on purpose.
I don't think
have that look.
It really matters.
You have that nice
We're
person
just both
look.
driving.
Oh, no. It's the principle. Who cares if we have nowhere to be? It's the fact of the matter. He thinks he's more important than us, and he's not.
I don't think it really, like, I'm just trying to take you to your destination. Like,
my gosh.
I'm just trying to make a buck here.
Look, another guy. You just let someone else in front of you. You gotta close that gap.
We're in
See that
LA.
gap there?
This is normal.
There's like
everybody.
a 2-foot gap.
Okay, can you sit back, please? Because you're on my last nerve.
Oh my gosh.
And can you put your seatbelt on?
Oh my goodness. See, this is why you're an Uber driver. Because you're letting other people get ahead in life. You have to take initiative. You have to.
What's wrong with being an Uber driver? Literally, this is my career.
Are you paying the bills with it? Be honest.
Yes, I drive Uber 12 hours a day.
Well, you must work
of course
very hard. You must work very hard.
Yeah, this is like what I do for life, so...
Okay, well, here, listen to me. If you want to make it into the corporate world,
I don't want to.
I don't want to.
No interest. No interest at all.
Come on. Everybody wants to work that 9 to 5 that they're going to be making 6
I'm my own
figures.
boss. I'm on a flexible schedule.
I'm my own boss. Everybody wants to be their own boss these days. Like, what's the fun in that? Like,
okay, you know what? Your voice is so annoying. Can you get out of my car?
Now my voice is annoying?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
You're a backseat driver.
You go back to letting people cut you off, get in front of you, go back to Ubering, I'll walk home. Because that's what you do to get ahead. You have to take initiative.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. La 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 la. Bye. Jeez Louise.